without a doubt.
Here's Odom. It's a 5-point game.
Kobe, nigga, what are you doing?
Outside, Kobe. From 17 feet out. Scooped up. And change shot.
Yeah.
And that's not going to fall for it. And a fun game going. And now that's it.
What? Lamar Odom? Get the fuck out of here, yo. Get the fuck out of here, yo. Lamar Odom, nigga, get out of here.
Here's Brown. 8 points for him. So the Lakers 5 right now. Howe and Bynum filling up the middle. Out there with Kobe.
Hit Gasol.
Kobe Bryant, one of the true superstars of the NBA. And he's been at this for
Yeah, I caught pass in the air too. He should have just not even went up to shoot. Right? My bad. Fuck. Yeah. That's the second one I got. Like.
Last season, he set a record for games played.
I'm about to say, I was about to zoom in on the score.
Yeah, he really is, and one of the most popular players in the history of Cleveland sports team, not just the Cavaliers. He's trading away.
Wow, how did I not get that still? Step up. Yeah, he has to. That's how you run the fucking break right there, niggas.
Here's LeBron. He's got 10. With only 24 wins at home last season.
Look at this nigga Bynum, bro. This nigga Bynum, like, I thought this nigga had high defensive rating. Like. There you go. And still, you don't need to jump. If you're behind them, don't jump. Like, oh, you got a lane too. Finally, Gasol. Finally. We got the assist for that? I guess it touched you last. No way. Ew, airball. Oh, I should have went for the charge. Wow, this nigga's thirsty, dog. You got Kobe? Oh, you good. Oh. That was a bad shot. Good shit. That was a bad shot. Yeah, good timeout. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. The one time we really need it. I'm going to get it from Gasol anyway. I'm just going to hold it for a minute, yeah. Here, give it back. Yeah, I was trying to... I don't know why I keep taking that shit. Call it, call it, call it. These niggas are so weak, guys. Wow, Odom, come on. Good luck.
Gotta expect more out of him here. He's had a lot of difficulty this quarter, which in turn is making it difficult.
Wow, I was trying to jump into that nigga too.
Shots good by Kobe.
Yeah.
What happens when the defense lags? Wrong guys are given open.
Still got a good release on that.
He is always the leader in the line. So powerful going up to the rim. You just have to step back and admire it. Now he can go around you or over you, whichever way he wants. Looking at this Laker team, against the least of all the Western Conference teams. Again, I'm not surprised. Those were your top two seeds in the
Yeah,
West
thank
in the
you.
regular season.
Yeah, hoe niggas. Hoe ass niggas. Wow, you gotta make the free throw, bro.
That's off the game for Shannon Brown. He has 8 points and he's done a good job distributing the ball as well.
Oh my god.
This is awesome. He trailed by 7.
What? Oh my gosh. I'm out.
Here's Brown. 8 points for him.
Yeah, just bow.
Over to a screen. Hands to Bynum. Here's Brown. Takes it up. And that's good from Odom on the
He needs to cut more with Odom, dog. He just sent out on the perimeter.
Odom's got
Like,
8 points. He's really one of the big reasons why they have
Yeah.
the lead now. Playing an extremely efficient game. It's fun to watch. Here's what a piece of it. Okay, they're making a strong statement under the board.
Good shit.
Really good margin here. To Bryant.
why didn't you hit Powell? Oh my god. Powell had a dunk, nigga. What the fuck? Oh my god. Why would you not give it to Pau Gasol? Because I didn't think it was going to me. Pau Gasol was wide open. Like, why would you not give it to Pau Gasol? Like, what the fuck? That's not me with the ball. Like, I guess that shit to me. Like, what the fuck? What you talking about? Powell's gonna smash that hoe. What's something? I don't even know what this nigga's talking about. Like, this nigga, dude, what are you doing on your side? Nigga, pick him up. Like, both of you, someone needs to stop Wade. Like, you need to stop Wade. Someone was like, get a body contact on nigga or something at first. I mean, they're not even throwing it at the top. Look at this.